What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I had such a great weekend this weekend, so many awesome cars, such a great time. So in the video that I did with my brother John on our way to Chester Springs Cars and Coffee, if you haven't watched that video, I'll leave a link to that up here. Make sure you go watch that video. We actually talk about our top 5 automotive YouTube channels that we like to watch. So I've been getting some really great comments on it, and a lot of people have been, telling me what channels they like to watch. So keep that conversation going there. But I wanted to do a video about some new channels, some up-and-coming YouTubers, kind of like my channel, that are fairly new to the game, but I really think they're doing some awesome stuff. And I really need you guys, all of my subscribers, to go out, make sure you check out their channel, subscribe to them, watch some of their videos, give them some likes, and help them out. Because that's what we do in this YouTube community. We try to help each other out, we try to collaborate, and it's a great thing. So let me jump right into it. So number one, first channel I want you guys to go and check out is Wolfpack Rides. So Wolfpack Rides, these guys are based out of the Hershey, PA, Lancaster area, and they have some just insane cars. If you saw the Street Speed event video that I did, and I did a Jimbo video where he meets up with this guy who has 1,000 horsepower Challenger. That was Wolfpack Rides. That is one of the cars that they have. They've got a couple other insane cars. They have a Eleanor, which is, a Mustang Eleanor, but it's got the crazy engine coming out of it. I forget what the horsepower numbers are on that, but you can go out to their channel, subscribe to them, watch their videos, make sure you guys give them some likes, because they're doing some awesome work. So now channel number 2. Channel number 2 is a local friend. Met up with him at a couple different car meets. We've been going back and forth talking about some collaborations, so hopefully stay tuned for some of that content. But it's the Rusted Garage. So my buddy Todd he's doing an awesome job with this channel. He does a lot of DIY work in his garage, working on cars. So if you like that kind of content, make sure you go out, check him out, subscribe, give him some likes. He's got a beautiful Aston Martin, and then he just picked up a Honda S2000 that he just put the engine in. He's got a lot of work to do on that car still, but you can follow him and watch the entire build as he goes along with that. He also has a pickup truck that he's working on, so if you like that kind of content, definitely go out, follow him. He's doing some awesome stuff. So channel number 3 to watch and subscribe to is JFK Auto. So JFK Auto, these guys are out of New Jersey area, and they're doing some really cool stuff. They actually have a couple really cool car videos where they talk about car history on different cars, and then they also do some review type stuff where they do some walk-arounds, exhaust sounds, all of that. So make sure you go check them out, give them a subscribe, check out their videos, give them some likes, and just keep building up these channels. Channel number 4 is Pennsylvania Boost. Pennsylvania Boost is a very new, very young channel, but these guys, they're doing some really awesome video work. I've seen them a couple times at a couple different car shows, similar videos to kind of what I do with some of the car shows, but their production quality is really good. They've got this awesome setup, camera setup and everything, and they really have been doing some awesome video content. They're like under 200 subscribers right now, but I'm telling you, if they keep doing what they're doing, the quality of their videos, they're just going to skyrocket, and hopefully we can help raise those numbers. Check them out, subscribe to those guys. And last but not least is a friend from up north in Canada, Great White North Corvette. So this gentleman actually got a C8 Corvette. It's a yellow one of the only yellow ones that was out in Canada for a while. And you can go check out his channel where he takes delivery of the car, unwraps it, does his first drives, and some of the other content that he's doing with that car. It's good stuff. I started following him on Instagram. And by the way, all of these channels have Instagram channels. That's kind of where I started following most of them. So make sure you also go follow them on Instagram. But I will leave links to all of these channels down below, so you can click on them, subscribe, give them some likes, and show them the love. Listen, guys, I am doing this too with my channel. Obviously, I just gave you those 5, but I am doing what I can to grow this channel. I love doing this type of stuff, and I love bringing you guys more content. So let me know down in the comments below what kind of content you want to see more of, what you want me to be doing videos about. I can keep doing some of these cool YouTube videos, and I just want to keep the conversations going and bring you guys more content. I really, really have a passion for this and love doing it, so I want to keep it going. And guys, you can help me out by keeping this channel going by smashing my subscribe button, giving me a big thumbs up, and just spread the love around the YouTube community. Make sure you guys go check all these channels out, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.